Today, we're diving into CloudConvert, an incredibly popular online file conversion tool that supports over 200 formats, including documents, images, audio, video, and more. The interface is clean and straightforward, with a simple drag-and-drop functionality making it easy for users of all levels. Whether you're converting PDFs to Word, JPGs to PNGs, or even video files like MP4 to AVI, CloudConvert offers a reliable solution with decent speed and quality. One of the standout features of CloudConvert is the ability to adjust file conversion settings. For example, when converting images, you can specify resolution and compression levels. For documents, you can choose specific pages to convert, and for videos, you can adjust bitrate, audio codecs, and more. This level of customization is something you don't often find in free or even paid converters. CloudConvert also offers integration with various cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. This makes uploading and saving converted files quick and seamless. However, while CloudConvert offers a free tier, it's worth noting that free users have limited conversion minutes. So if you need to convert larger files or batch process multiple files, you might find yourself running out of minutes quickly. The paid plans are reasonably priced, but it's something to keep in mind if you're a heavy user. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One thing I particularly appreciate about CloudConvert is that it keeps the quality of the converted files intact most of the time. However, in some cases, particularly with more complex PDF files or high-resolution videos, slight quality loss can occur. Also, the speed of conversion can be hit or miss depending on the server load, but generally, it's pretty fast. CloudConvert also prioritizes privacy. They explicitly mention that all files are deleted from their servers after conversion, which is a reassuring aspect for users handling sensitive files. However, you should still be cautious when uploading highly confidential documents, as with any online tool. Overall, CloudConvert is a versatile and convenient file converter that works well for everyday file conversion needs. It's easy to use, offers plenty of customization options, and maintains a good level of quality for most file types. While the limited free usage is a downside, the paid plans are worth it if you frequently need file conversions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tutorials.